Did you know that the world's oldest known recipe dates back to 5,000 years ago and is for none other than a tasty, wholesome soup? That's right, even our ancient ancestors were all about food. Now, let's fast forward a few millennia to the world of nutrition facts. They might seem about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust us, they're your ticket to better health. Think of them as the superhero cape of your diet. To prove their importance, let's dive into the fascinating world of nutrition facts with real-life examples and a sprinkle of humor. After all, knowledge is power, and a little laughter never hurt anyone. 1. Size matters, really. Example: remember that time you ate an entire family-sized bag of chips, thinking it was a single serving? We've all been there. Research: according to a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, people tend to consume more when presented with larger portion sizes. So, pay attention to those serving sizes, they matter. 2. Calories. The gold of nutrition facts example: calories are like the currency of your diet. Spend them wisely. Research: a study published in Obesity found that people who track their calorie intake were more successful in managing their weight. So, keep an eye on those numbers. 3. Macronutrients. The Three Musketeers example: carbs, fats, and proteins are like the stars of a reality show, always in the spotlight. Research: a review in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition highlights the importance of balancing these macronutrients for optimal health and performance. 4. Sugar. The sneaky villain example: that healthy fruit yogurt with as much sugar as a candy bar? Don't be fooled. Research: the American Heart Association warns against excessive added sugar consumption, linking it to heart disease and obesity. 5. Salt. The silent saboteur ever felt like a puffer fish after eating too many salty snacks? Research: the American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to prevent high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. 6. Micro miracles. Vitamins and minerals example: think of vitamins and minerals as your body's little helpers, working behind the scenes. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences emphasizes the crucial role these micronutrients play in overall health. 7. Percent daily value, PDV, your personal GPS example. The PDV is like the GPS for your diet, showing you where you're headed. Research: the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, requires PDV on labels to help consumers make informed food choices based on a 2,000-calorie daily diet. 8. Ingredient list. The foodie detective example: be your own Sherlock Holmes and investigate the ingredients list. Research: a study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition suggests that foods with simpler ingredient lists are generally healthier. 9. Meal prepping. Less stress, more success example: meal prepping can turn you into a culinary genius with a fridge full of healthy choices. Research: a study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine reveals that meal prepping can improve diet quality and help with weight management. 10. Nutrition facts empowerment example: now that you're a nutrition facts ninja, you can outsmart unhealthy choices and lead a happier, healthier life. Research: a study in the Journal of Nutrition Education and Behavior highlights the positive impact of understanding nutrition facts on dietary choices. Nutrition facts are like the secret codes to a healthier, happier you. They may seem boring, but they're anything but. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, remember, nutrition facts aren't just numbers. They're your trusty sidekicks on your journey to wellness. Stay informed, eat smart, and conquer the world.